We made $33,425.52 in a single month with our offer, and this was our 8th month running this offer. Here's some of the payments that we've been taking. These are the messages that I was getting before working with these clients as well. I generated over 12.5 thousand leads into my ManyChat, and a lot of people like watching my content, as you can see here. I'm gonna be breaking down my story of how I sped up my progress by assembling the right team around me in order to get these results. I didn't do it by myself. I'm going to be showing you the results that we've gotten for our clients using the on-camera persuasion method that I use in my content and nurture closing that we use on the back-end sales system. I'll show you the content format that pre-sells any kind of prospect that can be applied to any kind of vertical or any niche or any industry. And I'm going to tell you exactly how you can apply that exact format into your personal brand so you can pre-sell everyone before they speak with you or your closer on a call. The only way I was able to do this was with my team, Gift and Tanner. They've played a tremendous role in helping us scale this business. And I remember that name Tanner because he fits into this story. So my entire life, I've been a content creator. I've loved making content, making videos, storytelling. I've done it. I'm 8 years old in this photo. About 5 years ago, I started going real serious at it, going hard every single day, making content, making movies. I started acting in the Vancouver film industry. That taught me all my skills about being on camera and being a very confident speaker in terms of the story I'm gonna share, the person I'm gonna portray, or just being myself and telling stories through who I am. So I started creating content, and then I met my mentor, Nathan. Meet Nathan Nazareth. He's one of the reasons why I'm here where I'm at today. After I met Nathan, he helped me build my personal brand, and Tanner is the person who introduced me to Nathan. And now this is where the story gets good. So Nathan is my mentor, and the only way that I met him was through Tanner because I ended up on a sales call with Tanner. Tanner had been closing for Nathan and helping him scale his offer, and Tanner's been in the space for over 5 years now. He's collected over $10 million in high ticket sales. I applied to work with Nathan. I ended up scheduling a call to speak with his team, and then I end up talking to Tanner on a FaceTime audio. Just an iPhone, no Zoom call, no Google Meet, no nothing like that. And he closes me within 30 minutes. $5,000 paid in full. That whole transaction shifted my entire perspective, and I said, okay, look, one day I'm gonna learn how to do this, get on the other end of that call. And then after I worked with Nathan, he helped me build out my personal brand. After I built out my personal brands and had this business, but making $0, I figured out, look, I need to learn how to sell. And then so I reached back out to Tanner because I was like, if this guy could close me without having a Zoom call and I'm having trouble closing people on calls myself, why not reach out to Tanner? And so Tanner helped me generate all the money that we've made recently because I partnered with him. He helped me fix my sales process, and then we ended up collecting over $33,000 in a single month. So what's Tanner's story? Tanner used to make around 4 to 5K per month. Then he started making over 27K per month. He did this and scaled his business to $278,862.81 in a single year. And he helped my mentor Nathan scale to over $232,510 in a single month. Before, Nathan was making $30,000 a month. Going from making $30,000 in a single month to making $232,510 in a single month is pretty crazy because according to Nathan, Tanner is the GOAT. And while they were working together, they made over $1,066,709. Crazy. Tanner personally took home in 2 months $116,180.35 USD. He's also helped the meal scale to over 63K in a single month. Same thing with Javon, over $60,000 in a single month, and over time, over $125,074.61 Canadian. I also helped out with Nathan's offer, helping close deals on that side of things where Tanner was mentoring me on sales. And while doing so, I also helped out my clients. Amber 3x her revenue in her first 7 days of posting just by making content on social media with her personal brand, scaled her agency, and started out her own info product offer. We helped Jordan collect over $11,000 in 20 days just with 165 followers. You don't need a big following in order to do this, you just need the right messaging. Diego, $8,000 cash in 30 days. Alexis, we helped them close more deals, $4,000 collected in 3 days, back-to-back closes, crazy. Tom, only 30 followers, signed 3 deals with Tom and collected over $2,000 cash collected with his business. John signed his first high-paying client, didn't really have a clear offer, but signed his first high-paying client. Rome used to spend $10,000 every single month with a creative director, editors, but now he has a method in order to make content that saved him so much time and money. Now, how did all of us do this? I'm gonna break down exactly the content strategy that pre-sells all the prospects that all of our clients have had so that the closes become so easy. So all of these leads that I've generated have gone through this exact same content format using, which I like to call on-camera persuasion paired with the perspective shifting content format. This is the perspective shifting content format, and you use on-camera persuasion in order to do that, which is essentially on-camera persuasion in a nutshell is speaking directly to the ICP who you're talking to while knowing exactly how you can solve their problem and giving them a clear solution of exactly how they can solve that problem that they're facing by articulating it so clear and simply with enough conviction with the right tonality that it lands so perfectly that they see that you can articulate their problem way better than they can articulate it themselves, so that they see it as that next step solution because you are an authority in that sense. They get that light bulb moment and they say, hey, that Michael guy knows exactly what I'm dealing with. I'm gonna listen to him. What's the next step? Now combine on-camera persuasion, and in a nutshell, on-camera persuasion is just having a lot of confidence and conviction in yourself and what you are selling. Pair that with perspective shifting content format. You have your hook, you call out, and you have your hook, you call out a current way of doing things, why that way is wrong, the consequence of not changing that way, introducing a new way of doing things, and the benefits of this new approach, and how to actually do it more in depth, which is your CTA. This is basically a general rough framework. I have a video that breaks it down even further. By the way, if you're looking to scale your personal brand and you want to sign more high-paying clients for your offer, click the first link down below to see if you qualify to work with us one-to-one at First Choice Consulting. Depending on your situation, we offer consulting, but we also do offer a lot of done-for-you support in terms of AI automations, AI setting, AI video creation, in order to save you so much more time and money so that you can only focus on making your content and closing deals, or just fulfilling your clients if you have a closer. So hit that first link down below and see if you qualify to work with us one-on-one, and maybe we'll see you on a call. Anyways, back to this. This is the perspective shifting content format. Essentially, it's very simple and straightforward. I'm not going to go too in depth into it, but essentially you're just breaking down people's limiting beliefs. You want to call out the thing that they're doing wrong and explain why that way of doing things is not the right way of doing it and the consequence of that. This essentially makes them see like why their problems are so clear and what is wrong with it, because that is not their best way to do the thing. And then when you introduce that new way of doing things, aka your unique mechanism, and show them how well you know about this topic of interest that they're watching your content for, and you just need to clearly just articulate and explain it in simple terms and explain how you are that person to solve their problem. What this does is this pretty much just breaks down all their limiting beliefs. So I'll give you the full rundown. So what is this framework? It's basically called the challenge framework. I like to call it sometimes so in other words, it's also called the challenge framework. So instead of pitching, you attack the belief. So instead of pitching your prospect, okay, this is what I do and how I can help you, you attack the belief and the identity that's keeping your prospect stuck. You show them why it's wrong, what it's costing them, and what actually works. By the end, they've already sold themselves on you because they see that you know what you're talking about. That's essentially what it is, because you have so much conviction in it with your on-camera persuasion technique that it just is a no-brainer for them to take that next step. Ideally, you want to have an offer and you want to make your marketing messaging so clear that you essentially are calling out why their identity is for you, for your offer. You have to attack their beliefs, but you need to make it clear that this is the offer for you because of your beliefs. You want to change the way they think, but you want to show them why their exact current identity fits so perfectly into your offer that it's the next logical step for them to solve. Why should you use this? It pre-sells before the call, and prospects show up ready to buy because they already decided. You're just confirming it on that call. It's just a transaction. Because if you don't use this method and you don't pre-sell them in the pre-call video, and you don't have that nurture sequence, and you're not using nurture closing, which is essentially just pre-handling all of their objections on the call as well, you're just going to be dealing with so many objections. You're going to get the wife objection, you're going to get the think about it objection, the money objection, every objection in the book. Now, where should you use this framework? Anywhere where a prospect needs a belief shift before they talk to you. So Instagram Reels, YouTube, TikTok, and your pre-call videos. The big mistake is spending a lot of time on this framework in all your top of funnel stuff and all your middle funnel, bottom of funnel videos, when the goal is just to get people onto that call. And then that is when you pre-sell them on everything, which is exactly where you hammer them with this belief shifting framework to break down all their limiting beliefs, pre-handle all of their objections so that they are just ready to buy on that call. And you can do it in all your videos too. The only problem is when you just make too much of it and you get audience fatigue, but you can still find ways to integrate this into top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel. And I'm gonna leave it up to you to discover how you can integrate that into your videos, because I save that for our clients. We show our clients exactly how you implement this framework so that you can pre-sell all of your prospects before they even have a call with you. But I can't give that to you because I don't even know what you sell. I don't even know what your offer is. So if you're coach / consultant, both of them are the same thing, or agency owner and you're ready to scale your offer, here's the next steps. I want you to apply to work with our team one-to-one. All you gotta do is click that first link in the description down below, answer all the questions, tell us about your business, and then we're gonna have a consultation with you to see if you qualify to work with us and if our system can actually benefit your offer. If it's a good fit, we're gonna show you exactly how our system and how we can help you scale your business using consulting combined with all of our done-for-you services like AI automations, and pretty much show you exactly what it would look like working with us. And if not, all good. At least you're gonna have a clear next step strategy on what you need to do after we have that call, all on your own. Let me know if this information was helpful or if it wasn't. But either way, thank you so much for watching and stay locked in, my friend.